Normally, when you delete a file, it stays in the recycle bin for a while, which makes recovery quick and easy. But what if you've already emptied the recycle bin? Don't panic. In this video, I will show you how to recover deleted files, even if they have been removed from the recycle bin. Let's dive in. The recycle bin is basically a safety net. When you empty it, Windows doesn't instantly erase your files. It just marks that space as available for new data. Your data is still there until it gets overwritten. That's why timing matters. Stop using the drive immediately, and the sooner you recover, the better your chances. Method 1. If the file existed for a while and backups were enabled before deletion, let's try File History. Search File History in Windows. After entering, click on Restore Personal Files on the left. Here, you'll find all your backup files. Select the file or folder you want and click Restore. If you haven't enabled this feature before, you can go to the File History page and select Advanced Settings to configure it. If nothing shows up here, don't worry, most people never enabled this. Let's move on. Method 2. Restore with the previous version. Windows can automatically save older versions of folders using restore points. Open File Explorer and find the folder where the file was originally placed. Right-click the folder and choose Show More option. Select Restore Old Version. Select a version at the point in time before deletion and click Restore. Method 3. Think about whether you have stored the deleted files on your other backup, such as OneDrive, iCloud, Google Drive, and so on. If you do, just log into your account. Then you can easily recover your deleted files from backup. Method 4. Recover deleted files from an emptied recycle bin with Tenorshare 4DDig. The methods I covered earlier do work, but only if you had backups enabled beforehand. And for many people watching this right now, none of those were set up. You deleted the file. You emptied the recycle bin. You checked everything, and it's gone. That's the situation many users are in right now. When there's no backup, your most practical option is data recovery software. That's where Tenorshare 4DDig comes in. Unlike Windows tools, 4DDig doesn't rely on backups or restore points. It scans the disk directly to find deleted files that haven't been overwritten yet. Let me show you how it works. First, check the download link below. Install and open Tenorshare 4DDig. On the main screen, select Recycle Bin and click Scan. 4DDig will perform a deep scan and search for deleted files that are still recoverable. You can preview files during the scan, which helps you confirm what can actually be restored. Then select the files you want to restore and click Recover. You'd best save the recovered files to a different drive or location. If the rescued file is damaged, 4DDig data recovery software can help you. From scanning, restoring, to repairing, it helps you handle the entire rescue process. And that's it. If this video helped you recover your files, or at least saved you some panic, give it a like and consider subscribing for more Windows tips like this. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your recovery.